One of the most important things that really supported my healing journey is my morning routine. And this is the time that I take away from everything, from distractions, noise, anything that needs my attention, and a time where I put all of my focus on myself. Before I do my journaling and meditation or just sitting in silence, I have to always start by making a cup of ceremonial cacao. And this is something that I have discovered recently. And by recently, I mean in the past few months. I've been using this delicious and very grounding drink to center myself and fill my body with very healthy nutrients as I sit to write and start my day. The cacao that we buy at the store is the powder that's usually left behind after the beans have been already processed and all the butter removed. Ceremonial cacao, on the other hand, is completely raw and pure. Cacao is very rich in antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins such as magnesium, iron, B-complex vitamins, and it can help your body relax and improve your mental well-being too. Raw cacao also contains what's called feel-good chemicals such as serotonin and theobromine, which relaxes your muscles. So after I make my cup, I love to sit to begin writing, always starting with my gratitude list because there's always something to be grateful for, no matter what's going on in the world. And after I complete my morning routine, then I start the day. I invite you to also create a morning routine for yourself where you can sit with yourself without distractions, seeing things and noticing things that usually you don't really notice throughout the day because we're just moving and functioning on autopilot. So having that time to center and focus on yourself, you're going to discover a lot about yourself and about your body, and use tools such as journaling to uncover some of those things, stuck emotions or tensions, and to process them in a healthy way. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time.